Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Sendinblue account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is to go to the Brevo.com website. And basically it is the company that has this product which is Sendinblue. And now all we will be needing to do is to simply go to the products so we can get our Sendinblue product. So simply, we will be needing just to go to the email marketing stuff, and from there, we will be able to find our Sendinblue. And simply, we need just to start signing up for free, and basically, we can start having all these features of Sendinblue, which is Brevo now. And I'm just going to sign in up with my Google account. You can choose to create your own account, like with your email, or you connect any other type of uh, anything. So I'm just going to add anything. And from here, let's just do like this. I don't have a website and I'm just going to continue. You can add your address and all your information. And after you fill in the informations, you will be able to, or you will be redirected to this page, which is to choose the plan. In my case, I'm just going to continue with the free plan. And now we are able to start using our Sendinblue successfully. Now you will be able to start like having all the features to use in Sendinblue, which is now Brevo. So basically, you will be able to start like creating your campaigns and start adding, sending emails to your prospects, and you can find your contacts or your prospects here from the contacts page. And basically, we'll have all the automations or all the tools that you will need for your email marketing or any type of marketing. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.